Hello बच्चों, today I will start exercise 5B. In the last lecture I have discussed you about sequences. Let us again recall by the example. First I had taken 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. In this sequence each term of the sequence is obtained by adding 1 to the previous term. There was a pattern you would have observed in this, and other would have written, I think, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. In this pattern you cannot find such a pattern or rule which can give you the next term, because it is individually the square of each term. Next it would be 36. Difference of the term is different. You cannot find such rule which have been observing here, you have been observing. Now let us take the concept of arithmetic progression. Actually any sequence, the common difference between whose terms is same, then it is called arithmetic progression. For the sake of example, let us denote this term by T1, T2, T3, T4 in the same manner. Now T2 minus T1, difference it will be denoted by letter D, and it is calculated by any term minus previous term. It is coming 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. You can calculate T3 minus T2, means any term minus previous term, that is 3 minus 2, again it is 1. This difference should be equal. If this is equal, then the given sequence is AP. You can check it AP, or if question is given, calculate something regarding AP, then it means it is given. Let us take another example, 1, 3, 5, 7 onwards. Here D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2, that is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. It is coming 2. It means if the difference of the among the terms means any two consecutive term is similar, then it is called arithmetic progression. Now let us denote, this is difference is denoted by D, and first term of series, let be A, means this first term is denoted by letter A. Then you should observe this term is obtained by adding 1 to this term, means the common difference. This term is obtained by adding 1 to this term. It means any term of the series or sequence is obtained by adding common difference to the previous term. If you are taking series by literals, first term is A, second term would be A plus D. You will add common difference to the D. Common difference you should also write. Common difference be D. Again it would be A plus D means 2D, A plus 3D onwards. In the same manner you can calculate. Now this is the term T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. Now you should observe the pattern that when it is fourth term, multiplier D is 3. It is fourth term, multiplier of D is 2. It means whichever term you will calculate. Suppose you are going to calculate T10, you will write A plus 9D. Multiplier of the common difference D is 1 less by the number of term. It means when it is 4, it is 3, it is 10, it is 9. In general, if you want to write, you will write Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N denote the number of term, which term it is. Suppose you want to calculate 20th term, it does mean, or rather 20th, I should say 17th term. T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 16D. It is 17, it is 16. That's this is the formula developed for the general term. This is called general term, or nth term also called. Nth term is any term, 10th, 12th, whatever you want to calculate. This is the basic formula for the application in the questions of this exercise. Now I should take some example. The series has been given in question 1. First part, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 onwards. and the question is saying calculate the term, 3 more term. It is so simple. Obtain the common difference. Common difference d is obtained by minus 6 minus minus 10. You should take care of the signs. Minus 6 plus 10, that is 4. 4 is the common difference. The next 3 terms would be 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14. This would be the answer. With the help of this I am explaining some more things. Suppose the question is saying calculate the 15th term of the series. In this series a is equal to minus 10, d is equal to 4 as you have calculated here. When you will solve the question, you will have to show the calculation of common difference d. If you want to calculate the question 15th term and n is equal to 15, then t15 is equal to a, formula will remain the same. This one means minus 10 plus 15 minus 1 into d is 4 into 4, minus 10 plus 14 4 ja, it is 14 into 4, 56, 46. This is the answer. In this way you can calculate. Then today you have to solve only question 1 to 10. Later I will discuss in the next class. Then your homework would be question 1 to 10. Lot of parts are there, so you are having a quite hectic work. So you go through question number 1 to 10 and understand the concept. Thank you.